So this truck used to be on my channel. It's the 1989 Ford F150 two-wheel drive manual transmission with a ZF5, which is actually really rare for a pickup truck, especially a two-wheel drive F150. I think they only put them in the 3/4 ton light duty. It's got a ZF5 in it, which is like the diesels. But I took off the original front clip and I'm putting on a 1995 Ford front clip. You guys may remember the 1995 Ford F150 that we revived after setting for, I don't know how long it was. It was parts for the Power Stroke. I was actually going to use this front end on the Power Stroke, but I wound up finding a diesel pickup truck for nearly nothing. So I've had these parts basically stored away because we cleaned that truck. And we're going to put them on this 89, so we're going to turn it into a 89-95. I swapped the motor out from a 302 to a 306, the inline 6. Now you may be wondering, well, that's an EFI truck. You're exactly right, sort of. I actually converted it to carbureted manifold. I left the original fuel-injected exhaust manifold on. And it's got the carburetor off of the Ford Ranger on it, which actually fits there. Ford Ranger's actually hanging out over there. We're in location X, actually location Z. X is where the truck come from. Z is where we're at. Hidden away, the truck. But yeah, the carburetor actually does work on this. I figured it was for this truck originally. Well, for a 300. But there's a little whoop-de-doo in the fender. I got the interior gutted. Well, sort of. I got the mat out of it, and I've been painting the floorboards in it. Of course, the rats, since I moved it in here where it's at, the rats have been in it again. Well, not really again. They were in it when I got it. I got them out, cleaned it out. Now they're back. Not a big deal. We'll take care of those. That's actually the radiator out of the parts truck. I have that from the junkyard. That's the bumper filler thingy. But the inside of the bed's actually pretty crispy. It's had a gooseneck ball in it or something. There's a hole in the floorboard. A little bit of weight reduction in the fender. It's got a hole in the rear tank, and there was a wasp nest in here. I lit them on fire. May or may not have lit my gas cap on fire. You can see the gas cap got a little crispy. But I'm going to have to put a clicky-clack electric fuel pump in it. America. Yeah. I'll put that sticker on. It actually was in the truck, but yeah. So it's going to have a red front end on it. Anyway, I'm going to put different tires and stuff on it. But that's what we're working with, and that's what it's going to be, because of... I'm going to do an explanation of what happened to the red truck and where it's going. I have the last video of it I recorded, so we're going to upload that here sometime, and I'll do voiceover on it maybe. Let me know if you guys want to see voiceover or not on it, of me explaining what's going to happen to it. Anyway, that's that. Funny that they're red.